Aldinga Beach in Adelaide, South Australia. That was our son Andy. We give him a walk. It's a bit gloomy day. We're here in Aldinga Beach in Adelaide, South Australia. That was our son Andy. We give him a walk. It's a bit gloomy day. Hello, baby. Did you enjoy your walking, huh? Baby? Andy. Andy. Hang on. Hang on. Stay. Up. Shh. Hang on. Hang on, stay. And guys, yung view. Did you like? Did you like the beach? Come on. Don't go in there. Come on. Hey. Come here. Andy. Andy, come here. He enjoy walking, guys. He's not always gonna going to the beach because he has trouble to get into the car, so we need to lift him up. Me and Bob need to lift him up on the back of the car, so he's not always gonna walk on the beach just today. So he's very happy. And there's not much people around, so there's no crowded, so he can walk. See? Cup. There's a walkway down to the beach here, so he's going there now. I need to follow him because there's a car coming, so I need to be close to him. Makulimlim siya, guys. Where are you going? Hey, come back here. Andy. Oh, that's your shit. Shh. Oi, come on. Andy. That's yucky. No, come here. Hang on, stop. Stop. Shh. Stop. Baby dog. Let's go. Look at the weeds, guys. on, Andy. Oi. Come here. Shh. No, you're going back this way. Where are you going? Hi. We're going back to the car. Come on. Andy. Hello, my son. Stay, stay. Hey, Daddy, we're gonna going back na. Don't. Stop na.